Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the Steel Authority of India, SAIL. As we know that SAIL is a Maharatna company and it's a major steel maker of the nation. So SAIL is recruiting for the 245 management trainees in SAIL Technical through the GATE 2022. So total number of posts are there 245. Let's see the classification of the post according to the branches. So we can see the number of posts according to the branches. In mechanical, number of posts are 65, metallurgical 52, electrical engineering 59, instrumentation engineering 13, mining 26, chemical 14 and civil engineering it is 16. So total number of posts are 245 and the reservation is also there. So you can see the number of post reservation. Total number of posts are 245. In UR category it is 89, OBC 65, SC 42, ST 28 and EWS is 21. The details are given here, you can see from this one. And what is the eligibility criteria, which is very important. The eligibility criteria, the very first thing is upper age limit. The upper age limit must be 28 years on the 23rd November 2022. Okay, yes, the relaxation is age is also given, you can see according to your categories. And other than this one, the minimum qualification, a candidate must have a degree of engineering with the 65% marks. Okay, and if you are from the reservation category, then you can see the relaxation in the qualification is also there. So if you are from SC, ST, PWD and departmental candidates can have the minimum 55% marks also. Okay, the details, other details are given here already. Now medical standard selection process, this is very important thing. The selection process is purely based on the three things. First is GATE 2022 scorecard. Second, after the GATE 22 scorecard, they will see and they will select you and they will call for the interview. So, okay, interview and group discussion. So, there are three categories. First is the GATE 22 scorecard, which is called the written test. Second is the GD and third is the interview with the weightage of 75:10:15 in this order. Okay. And here we can see the regarding the GATE. Okay, you should, whatever your branch you are having, you should just opt the same branch in your GATE 22 also. So suppose you are from the mechanical, you should go with the mechanical ME, and similarly we can see this details. Now other than this, they will call for the group discussion and interview after seeing the GATE 22 scorecard. Now other than this, we can see the emoluments. Okay, the pay scale. The selected candidates or as in management trainees, they will get in the probation period or in the training period 50,000 per month, and after the training period of 1 year, okay, the candidates will be designated as the assistant manager and placed in the scale of the pay of 60,000 to 1,80,000. Okay, and here we can see how to apply. This is very important thing. You can go through this website www.sail.co.in and you can go through this advertisement and you can go directly apply. Now before applying, you should go for these details also. You should have a valid email ID with the mobile number, okay, GATE 22 registration number, these two things. Then third is the candidate should have at least, okay, latest passports as photograph there. Okay, and here the pay application fee, it is 700 rupees for general, OBC and EWS candidates and for 200 rupees for SC, ST and PWD, ESM and departmental candidates. So you can go through this form also, and after the filling form, okay, the process will be started. Now let's talk about the important dates, as we are having the very important thing. This recruitment is already started from the 3rd of the November 2022 and the last date will be 23rd November 2022. So you can go through the detailed advertisement which is attached in the description box of this video, and you can apply for the SAIL. Okay guys, thank you.